What's up, TeamFullest? This is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to click off my canal. So in today's video we're going to talk about fenugreek and breast enlargement. So I got a lot of message. Most of you guys, I got message from live outside of Europe. You guys live in some of you live in Nigeria, mostly Nigerians, and some of you live in Belgium, and you guys are saying that it's very difficult for you to get the fenugreek pills. So today I want to come and share with you guys another way you can use the fenugreek even if you don't have the pills, if you just have the fenugreek seed. Some of you also said on your message you find it very difficult to like do the massaging method. It's not that you find it difficult to do it, but to be consistent, because for me that is also my issue when I make the fenugreek oil, is to be consistent with the massaging, to consistent and keep on massaging. For me that was the big issue. But if you have the fenugreek seed, today I'm going to show you guys how you can also use that to the best of your own ability. So what I normally do is I boiled fenugreek tea. I take the seed and I add water and I boiled it, and then I drink that first thing in the morning or sometimes in the night. It's very good to drink fenugreek tea first thing in the morning. Fenugreek is not only there to increase your breast size or breast enlargement. Fenugreek has a lot of other health benefits. But before you go ahead and take fenugreek, please, I'm not a doctor, I am not a health specialist. Just go and do your own research. Everything that I'm taking, I first consult my doctor before taking it, because you have to talk to your doctor. So because your doctor knows most about your health and your medical file and also all those things, so it's always good for you to consult your doctor before ever taking any medication that you see on social media. So I'm taking fenugreek, but I also consult my doctor. I was taking maca root, but now I stopped with the maca root. I'm just taking other things to help me to gain my weight. I'm still in my weight gain journey. The fenugreek works different for different people. I am a mother. I've given birth to 3 children. I have breastfeed. A friend of mine who has never gave birth and have never breastfeed, and her body is still growing, when she take fenugreek, her result was much more better than my result, because normally she already have like a large, not large breasts, but like it helps her to get even more bigger than the way her breast was, which of course mine is getting a little bit bigger, but it's not going to be like big like yours, because we all have different genetic. Like I always said, in my family I don't know anybody with a big old chest. All the people I know have a really nice curvy Coca-Cola hourglass shape, really have some nice hips. But when it comes to chest, everybody that I know so far that is connected to me blood wide, genetic wide, we're all flat chested, but we have some really nice curves, you know. So for me, taking fenugreek, when I post my videos, you may see like, oh, your breast is not growing, but I'm actually getting a good result. I cannot come here and take my bra off and show you guys what my breasts look like, because I did that in one of my old videos. I didn't take my bra off, but I put on something that was a little bit transparent, even though you couldn't see much, but that video was flagged. YouTube flagged that video, and I don't want to overtrade the YouTube community guidelines. So if you have seen a lot of great results, a lot of people have commented on my videos and be like, you know, thank you so much for this video, I see a lot of great results. So do not compare mine result with your results. You guys have to know that I'm a mom. I have 3 children. I have breastfed. I breastfeed all my children for above 1 year plus. So our genetic is not the same. It's just the same thing when it comes to weight gain. When I gain weight, my hips and my butt get bigger. Most people, when they gain weight, some of them, their stomach, their face, their breasts. For me, when I gain weight, it mostly goes my hips and my butt, sometimes on my face a little bit. It doesn't matter how much kilo weight I put on, how much weight I put, my breasts never get bigger. It's just remain the same. So if you cannot find fenugreek pills, but you have the fenugreek seed, so today I'm going to show you guys how you can make fenugreek tea with the seed. So before we jump into this tutorial, me showing you guys how to make the fenugreek tea, please, I will highly appreciate it if you guys can give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe. If you have any question that you feel like is too private for you guys to put it in the comment box, send me a WhatsApp. Some of you guys, we chat on WhatsApp. I really appreciate you all. I have my WhatsApp business number, which some of you guys, I don't want to show you guys, but like, we all chat on WhatsApp. So if you have personal questions you guys want to ask me, let me know. I am 100%. Whatever I come here to share is 100%. I'm not being paid. I'm not promoting anything. I just share my experience, how it works for me. So now that I've said all of this, let's go into my kitchen. I just wake up this morning. I haven't eaten anything actually. I just take shower, clean the house, do stuff. It's 10:40, as you guys can see, 10:40. I haven't eaten anything, so I'm going to boil my fenugreek tea and then take fenugreek first thing in the morning. This is the first thing I'm going to take this morning, and then after taking my fenugreek tea, I will go ahead and have breakfast and have other things. So let's go into my kitchen. TeamFullest, let's go. TeamFullest, welcome to my kitchen. So I have my little pot. This is what I use whenever I want to make tea, and I have my cup here. So here is the fenugreek seed. This is my fenugreek seed. I always have fenugreek seed because I use fenugreek. I make my own DIY fenugreek oil and I use it to remove my makeup. So this is my own fenugreek seed. So I'm going to take a spoon, and I also have here water. I'm going to take 3 spoons of this fenugreek. I'm going to put this in the pan. If you, for example, you say you don't like to drink fenugreek tea, what you will do at night before you go to bed, you will put fenugreek in a cup, and then you soak it with water, and then you will leave it to stand overnight. And in the morning, what you will do is drain the water and then drink the fenugreek. But I like the tea because the tea is just warm and it's very good for my stomach as well. I love the warmness that early morning to drink warm water. So I'm going to add water, add enough water because I really want it to boil. So as you guys can see right now, the water is a bit clear, but then when it's boiling, it's going to be a little bit darker. So this is it. So now let's get it to the gas cooker. So I'm going to, because I really want it to boil, I'm going to use the bigger gas. So now, as you guys can see, this is the fenugreek. We're going to allow this to boil for at least 30 minutes. I'm going to allow this to boil. See the water, the water has changed colors, and then I'm going to drain it, and then I'm going to be drinking the tea. So stay tuned whilst the water is boiling. It's time to put the gas off, and then you're going to allow it to cool. As you guys can see, the water has changed color. You're going to put the gas off and allow it to cool down, and then you're going to drain the water. When it's cold, then you can drink it. Let's allow it to cool down first because it is pretty hot right now. So now you have your fenugreek tea. You can drink this. With this fenugreek, you don't need to throw it away. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take water. I'm going to add water into it, and I'm going to allow this to soak. You can use this the next day. You can actually boil it again and use it for the next day. So I'm just going to put this one aside for next use, and make sure, because you are just leaving it to stand, make sure you have something on top of it close it with something so that it doesn't so that fly or any kind of thing doesn't enter into it. So I'm just going to close it, and I'm just going to leave it to stand there, and I will use this on another video. Tomorrow morning I will use this, or in the evening I can still reboil it again and then use it. And then here you have your fenugreek. This is 100% fenugreek tea. As you guys can see, it doesn't have the best taste, but you know what, let's allow it to cool down a little bit. It's still pretty hot, and I like it to cool down, and then I just go once. I just put it in my mouth and close my eyes and drink it. Guys, now the fenugreek has cooled down. It's now cold, very cold, not like very very cold, it's a little bit warm. So I would not advise you to drink and then taste it. Just if you put it in your mouth, just go one, close your eyes, and just one go. Okay, so let's drink it. For me, I normally drink fenugreek tea and hibiscus tea. So for me, the taste is not like bad, but for somebody who is like your first time, this just go one and it's fine. The fenugreek pills, the tea is also very good. And also, if you're not somebody who is consistent with massaging the fenugreek oil with your breast, you can actually drink the tea. Or what I would advise you is you can make the oil and be drinking the tea at the same time. So when the days that you don't feel like drinking the tea, you can use the oil to massage, and the days that you feel like, okay, I'll drink the tea, you can drink the tea and as well use the oil to massage. Both, you can do both at the same time, but you cannot drink fenugreek tea and then take fenugreek capsules. You cannot do that. Then it's going to be too much in your system. As you know, too much of everything that is an after effect. So don't do it. Don't over each other. Don't do it. Don't. You can drink the tea and use the oil to massage, but you cannot drink the tea and take the supplement at the same time. So this is a quick video. I hope you all like this video. If you guys do, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you all on my next video. TeamFullest, peace out. Doeg. Bye.